Looking for the best hairstyles for your long hair? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we delve into the world of hair, exploring some of the most stylish and comfortable hairstyles for those with long tresses. Let's kick things off with the timeless classic, the loose waves. This hairstyle is adored for its effortless charm and grace. To achieve this look, start by applying a heat protection spray to your hair. Next, section your hair and use a curling iron to create soft and loose waves. Finish with a light hold hairspray to maintain the waves throughout the day. Next up, we have the half updo. This hairstyle is a perfect blend of elegance and casual flair. Begin by taking 2 sections from the front of your hair. Twist these sections at the back and secure them with a hair tie or a fancy clip. This leaves half your hair down and the other half neatly pulled back, a style that's perfect for both day and night events. Moving on to the high ponytail, a hairstyle that speaks volumes of chic sophistication. To get this look, brush your hair into a high ponytail and secure it with a hair tie. You can also wrap a strand of hair around the hair tie to conceal it, adding an extra touch of sleekness to your look. Now let's talk about the fishtail braid, a beautiful and intricate hairstyle that's easier to create than it looks. Start by dividing your hair into 2 large sections. Take a thin strand from the outside of one section and cross it over to the inside of the other section. Repeat this process, alternating between the 2 sections until you reach the end of your hair. Secure the braid with a hair tie and voila, you have a stunning fishtail braid. Last but certainly not least, we have the classic French twist, a hairstyle that exudes elegance and class. To achieve this look, gather your hair at the nape of your neck as if you're about to make a low ponytail. Twist your hair upwards until it's tight against your head and secure it with bobby pins. This hairstyle is perfect for formal occasions or when you want to add a touch of sophistication to your outfit. In summary, we've explored 5 fabulous hairstyles for long hair: the loose waves, the half updo, the high ponytail, the fishtail braid, and the classic French twist. Each of these hairstyles is not only stylish but also comfortable and easy to recreate. Remember, the key to a great hairstyle lies in the details, so take your time and don't rush the process. So go on, try these hairstyles and let your long hair do the talking. Until next time, keep those locks looking lovely.